Good morning, students. Today we continue our fourth chapter, effects of current electricity. Let us start our second point, heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. What is the heating effect of electric current? See here. When a resistor is connected in an electrical circuit, heat is produced. When a resistor is connected in an electrical circuit, heat is produced and heat due to the current. This is known as the heating effect of the current. Heating effect of the current. When we connect the resistor in the electric circuit, there heat is produced. And this heat is produced due to the electric current passing through that circuit. This heat is produced due to the electric current passing through that circuit, and this effect is known as the heating effect of the electric current. Heating effect of the electric current. Now see, electrical equipment such as water boiler, electric cooker, electric bulb make by using this heating effect of electric current. Electric equipment such as water boiler, electric cooker, electric bulb make use of by using this heating effect of electric current. Electrical conductors having higher resistivity are used here. In this equipment, electrical conductors which have the higher resistivity used. In these equipments such as water boiler, electric current, electric cooker. In these equipments, electrical conductors which having the higher resistivity used. For example, here coil made up of nichrome is used in the electric heater cooker. You know the electric heater geyser in our house, in our home. You see that in iron there is a coil, electric coil in that iron. Also in the geyser there is a coil, and this coil is made up of nichrome used in the water heater or cooker as a resistor. While tungsten wire is used in the electric bulb. When you observe the electric bulb, you see that small filament wire. This filament is made up of tungsten. This made up of tungsten, and because of the current, this wire gets heated to nearly 3400 degrees Celsius and emits the light. And the hot wire also radiates the heat to certain extent. What happens when in our home you see that observe the electric bulb, there is a filament, small filament. This filament or wire is made up of the tungsten, and when we switch on the light, this electric bulb lights up. Why? Because of this tungsten wire gets heated to nearly 3400 degrees Celsius and emits the light. And there is so much radiations of the heat up to this certain extent. So when we touch this bulb, we feel hot. You always remember that the unit of electric power is 1 watt, and 1 watt is very small. Hence 1000 watt or 1 kilowatt is used as a unit of measure the electric power. You know that electric power, unit of the electric power is a 1 watt, and 1 watt is a very small. 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt. 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt, and it is used to the measure the electric power. This 1 kilowatt it is used to the measure the electric power. Now in practice we use 1 kilowatt when power is used for 1 hour. If we use power for 1 hour, we use 1 kilowatt. Unit of 1 kilowatt, it will mean 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. 1 kilowatt in 1 hour means we use power in 1 hour which is measured in 1 kilowatt. जब 1 घंटे के लिए हम लोग पावर यूज कर सकते हैं तो वो पावर हम किलोवाट में मेजर कर सकते हैं, किलोवाट में मेजर कर सकते हैं. So here 1 kilowatt per hour, 1 kilowatt in hour is equal to 1 kilowatt hour means 1 kWh means what? 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt into 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds means equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 watt second is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 watt second means what? Equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. You this remember, you see in your book also, you understand. Now see here, several times we hear or read about a building catching fire due to the short circuit. Sometimes if we switch on an equipment in our house, the electrical fuse wire melts and the electric supply shuts down. Let us discuss about the cause briefly. हम daily in rainy season also and in summer season we daily listen that there is a building fire because of the electric circuit. Now before 2 days I listened also in the TV news that building catches fire due to the electric circuit, and why it's happened. So see here, or in rainy season many times there will be the electric supply shuts down. Electric supply shuts down. Why is it happened? See, the home electrical connection consists of live, neutral and earth wires. तुम्हें पता है हमारे होम इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन में, घर में जो हमारा इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन है उसमें 3 वायर्स रहते हैं, विच इज द लाइव, न्यूट्रल एंड अर्थ. एक लाइव वायर होती है, एक न्यूट्रल रहती है और एक अर्थिंग के लिए वो तीन वायर उसमें रहते हैं. तो live and neutral wires have potential difference of 220 volt. They flows the current. Live and neutral wire flows the current, and there is a potential difference of 220 volt. And the earth is connected to the ground. The earth wire is connected to the ground. Means what? If there is a excess electric supply, this flows electric supply will be going to the ground, and there is a no dangers. So there is this arrangement is there, and the earth is connected to the ground due to fault in the equipment, or if the plastic coating of the live and neutral wire gives away, the 2 wires are coming in contact and they with each other, and a large current flows through that wire and heat is produced there. कभी कभी अभी देखो स्पार्किंग होता है बारिश में, या कभी अभी जोर से हवा बहने लगे तो क्या होता है, स्पार्किंग होता है. क्यों ऐसा स्पार्किंग क्यों होता है? तो क्या होता है, वो इलेक्ट्रिक वायर के ऊपर जो प्लास्टिक कोटिंग होता है या रबर कोटिंग होता है वो कभी कभी डैमेज होता है. वो कोटिंग वायर डैमेज होता है, और डैमेज होने से क्या होता है, जब वो वायर हवा से या किसी भी तरह से एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में आएगी तो क्या होता है, दोनों वायर, लाइव वायर और न्यूट्रल वायर इज इफ इन कमिंग इन कांटेक्ट, दिस 2 वायर्स come in contact with each other, they produce large current flows there. They produce large current flows there, and there is a large amount of heat is produced there. Because of that, large amount of heat is produced there. And if there is a if the downside, if there is a wood material, या cloth, या plastic material, the sparking, if it takes place, if there is sparking takes place, and if there is a wood material या plastic या the paper is there, they catch the fire. They catch the fire because of that sparking. Because of this, so much amount of heat is produced there, and it takes this around the place, it can catches the fire. जब स्पार्किंग होता है तब आजू बाजू में क्या होता है, तो स्पार्किंग के बाद आजू बाजू में लकड़ी का मटेरियल में वुड का मटेरियल होता है, प्लास्टिक होता है, पेपर्स होते हैं, कपड़ा होता है, तो क्या होता है वो स्पार्किंग और क्या होता है, दिस मटेरियल कैचेस द फायर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्पार्किंग, एंड ऑल्सो surrounding area also catches fire because of it. Okay, all of you understand? So which precaution we take for avoid this? Therefore, a fuse wire is used as a precautionary measure. We have learnt about fuse wire in the previous standard. As soon as high current flows in a circuit, the fuse wire metals and breaks the circuit, and any mishap is avoided. What do we avoid this? We use the fuse wire to take precaution, and what is the fuse wire? We learned you learned in the 9th standard. And as soon as when the high current flows in the circuit, a fuse wire melts and breaks the circuit. हाई फ्लो करंट अवॉइड करने के लिए हम लोगों को क्या करना है, फ्यूज वायर यूज करनी है. मिस हैपन जो होता है वो अवॉइड करने के लिए हमें फ्यूज वायर यूज करना है. फ्यूज वायर से क्या होता है, जब एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ करंट फ्लोज थ्रू दैट सर्किट, दिस बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हाई करंट फ्लोज, this fuse wire melts and break the circuit. Melting of this fuse wire break the circuit, and they stop the flow of the electric current and avoid the mishappening. Avoid the mishappening like catching fire by the electric current. Okay. Many times, particularly in the summer season, huge electrical power is used in the evenings due to the home lighting, fans, air conditioners, use of electricity in shops, etc. As a result, excessive current is drawn from the transformer supplying the electricity, and if the capacity of the transformer is insufficient, its fuse wire melts and the supply gets shut down. Such events occur due to overloading. समर सीजन में हमेशा हम बोलते हैं कि ट्रांसफार्मर जल गया. ट्रांसफार्मर क्यों जलता है? देखो क्यों, क्योंकि समर सीजन में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज मोर, वी यूज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी much more, and electric appliances like fan, AC, also we run the AC in the shops, and because of that there is a excessive current is drawn for running these electrical equipments, and there is a load on the transformer which supplying the electricity. There is a load of transformer which supplying the electricity to that equipments, and as a result of this, the capacity of the transformer is insufficient. The capacity of that transformer is insufficient, and at that time the fuse wire in the transformer is melts and break the power, break the electric circuit, break the electric circuit, and it gets shut down. It gets shut down, and such events occur always in summer season because of the overloading, because of the overloading of the electric current to that transformer. Okay, समर सीजन में बार बार ट्रांसफार्मर क्यों जल जाता है? क्योंकि हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, फैंस चालू करते हैं, एसी चालू करते हैं, तो वो ट्रांसफार्मर में ज़्यादा लोड आता है. क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रिक लोड, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बहुत सारा लोड आता है. ये लोड आने की वजह से देयर इज अ excess amount of the using the electric current, and because of that, as a result, the fuse wire in the transformer melts and shut down the, there is a break of the electricity and shut down the transformer, supply of the electricity, shut down the supply of the electricity. And why is it happen? Because of the overloading. Because of the overloading. Okay, all of you understood this? We stop here. All students not doing homework, you do your homework and submit on WhatsApp. Take homework. First question. What is the heating effect of electric current? What is its origin? What is the heating effect of electric current? What is its origin? Second question. Explain the application of heating effect of electric current in an electric bulb. I repeat again second question. Explain the application of heating effect of electric current in an electric bulb. Third question. Explain the application of heating effect of electric current in an electric iron. Explain the application of heating effect of electric current in an iron. Okay, thank you.